I'm gonna give you a quick review over the Grill Armor Revolutionary Oven Gloves that I purchased off Amazon. If you would like to purchase any of these, look in the description below. I also have other gloves. But if you look, I'm gonna zoom in. This is what came in the package. It says it's rated up to 932 degrees. That's pretty hot. And the boiling point of water is 212 degrees. So I say, hey, maybe these gloves are good for cleaning my deep fryer and everything. I got water in here and I'm bringing it up to 212 degrees Fahrenheit, but I got it set at 250 on my gauge. So the water is boiling now, so it is at least 212 degrees Fahrenheit. And these gloves are rated for 932 degrees Fahrenheit. And this glove was a tight fit to put on. See, I'm slowly putting my hand in the water. I don't trust them. I never used them. But I don't feel the heat right now. But leaving it in here for a few seconds, I start feeling the heat. And it seemed like a little steam did come in. So it did get really hot. It's different from the ones I've used before, my other black gloves. So I'm gonna put my hand back in there and try it again. It ain't worth it. It's got the steam, so no more than 10 seconds. I've got welding hands, so I can do that. So don't put your hand in this water for no more than 5 seconds. Yeah, it seemed like a little steam did come through. That's not good. So I'm gonna try my old glove that I've had before. This is what I've been using to clean this deep fryer. As you see, I put my hand in there. It's okay. It is warming up, but I don't feel the steam like I did with the Armor gloves. So I'm gonna stick with my black gloves. So out of the two, I would not get the Armor gloves. I'm gonna stick with this black glove right here that I've always been using, because like I said, a little steam did get through the glove. So I looked at my finger about an hour later and I did have a blister. So don't try this at home. So if this video helped, subscribe to my channel and also look in the description if you want to purchase any of these gloves. Thank you and have a great day.